Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this presentation, I am going to show you how to download the WAZUH OVA and to configure the WAZUH agent. So WAZUH is a free and open source security platform that unifies XDR SIM capabilities. It protects workloads across on-premises, virtualized, containerized, and cloud-based environments. WAZUH helps organizations and individuals to protect their data assets against security threats. It is widely used by thousands of organizations worldwide, from small businesses to large organizations. So, we are going to configure the WAZUH by downloading the WAZUH OVA file, which is compatible with the Oracle VirtualBox. So, you can type WAZUH in the Google OVA download and so navigate to this website and click the virtual appliance OVA download. So the download starts. Okay, since already I have downloaded, I'm stopping the download. So once the file is downloaded, then go to the Oracle VirtualBox, then File, Import, and select the WAZUH file. Okay, then click Open. Since I have already imported, I am not importing again. So once you have imported, then go to the network settings. Okay, enable two adapters, adapter 1, NAT. Okay, so that we can connect the WAZUH with the internet and update, as well as to connect with the local area network and with the WAZUH agents. We need host only adapter connection, either host only adapter or NAT network. So I prefer the host only adapter. So we are using two adapters. Okay, then I'm starting the WAZUH now. Please ensure that your system has enough memory capacity. The WAZUH needs around 8 GB RAM and it needs 4 core processors. So now WAZUH is has started now. So now the WAZUH is prompting the username. So go to the website and scroll down and you can find the username and password. So WAZUH WAZUH dash user. The password is WAZUH. Okay, then type ifconfig. Yes, two adapters. Since we have configured two adapters, one is host only adapter and another one is NAT network. So we are seeing two IP addresses. Okay, now um, so just minimize the WAZUH. So the IP is 192.168 1.21. So now this Wazoo is not having any graphical user interface. So for administrative purpose, we need another virtual machine. So you can access the Wazoo from either Windows Server 2022 or any other system. Just we need a browser. But I am using one more system, Linux system, but it is optional in case you have resource constraint in your system, in your laptops. You can access the Wazoo directly from the Windows server. So I'm accessing from another Linux system. So you can use any system. So this is a lightweight Linux operating system. It's called Bodhi Linux, Bodhi Linux. So now I'm going to just we need a browser, okay, to connect with the browser. So HTTPS, okay, then the IP address of Wazoo. Sometimes it would show a warning message due to certificate issues. Just you can click proceed, advanced, click advanced and proceed. Okay, to bypass this warning message. Since I have already connected with the Wazoo system, so that error message, warning message is not shown in my browser. So once again, just go to the website, scroll down. Okay, you can find the username and password, that is admin and admin. So now we are entering the Wazoo. So please try to understand this architecture. So Wazoo is running here and there is no graphical user interface to interact with the Wazoo. So we are accessing the Wazoo from another system. Okay, just open the browser and type HTTPS, okay, colon slash slash the IP address of the Wazoo. So this is a dashboard of the Wazoo, and you can find what are the functionalities of the Wazoo, like file integrity monitoring, malware detection, configuration assessment, threat hunting, MITRE attack, threat intelligence, vulnerability detection, okay, PCI DSS, that is regulatory compliance checking, and so on. So these are the different functionalities of the Wazoo which we would explore in the future uh, classes. Okay, so now we want to connect, we want to deploy a agent in the Windows 2022 server, and we want to monitor the Windows 22 server from the Wazoo system. Okay, so uh, let me start the Windows 22 server. Okay, ensure that okay, in the devices you have like shared clipboard is bidirectional, drag and drop is bidirectional, so that we can copy the PowerShell command from the Wazoo, okay, and paste it on the Windows server system. Okay, so now what you have to do is like PowerShell, you need a PowerShell. Okay, so before starting that, okay, PowerShell, so just go to command prompt. Okay, find the IP config. Okay, so yeah, so 1.23. and the WAZU is 1.21, so they are on the same network, so they can connect each other. In case there is any issues, okay, initially, okay, for either you can create a rule to allow the ICMP packet, or you can turn off the firewall. Okay, then let me check the connectivity. Ping 192.168.1.21. It's pinging. Okay, it's connecting with the uh, WAZU. Then let me open the PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell as administrator. It's getting delayed because of memory constraint. So it's open already now. Just let me increase the font size. Okay. So now I go to the dashboard of the WAZU. Okay, I click deploy new agent. So we are going to connect the Windows 2022 server with the WAZU server manager. Okay, and we are going to deploy agent program in the 2022 server so that the WAZU can collect information about the server. So the target is going to be the Windows operating system 2222. So I'm selecting Windows, and then I'm going to give a name to the agent. So Windows, okay, 2022 is a agent, and select one or more existing groups. Let it be default. Okay, then so the server address. What is the IP address of the WAZU? 192.168.1.21 is the IP address of the WAZU. So once you fill up these details, okay, you can find the PowerShell command. Just copy that PowerShell command and go to the Windows server, right click. Okay, so it is not pasting. So already I have bidirectional drag and drop. Okay, so I think I haven't copied properly. Let me go copy, copy it. Okay, then let me go here, right click. So I should paste it on the PowerShell. Okay, let me see the way to bring that command here. So I'm not able to paste this from this dashboard. I found the reason is I mean this Linux. I did not enable shared clipboard bidirectional and drag and drop bidirectional. Okay, as well as I should be doing the same thing with the Windows Server also. Okay, so already it is bidirectional, drag and drop also bidirectional. So the source system, okay, it is not enabled. That's the main reason why I was struggling to copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is like, um, let me close and restart, okay, reboot. So I'm connecting to the Wazoo again. Let me check whether the Wazoo is running. Yes, it's running. So username is admin, password is admin. Why I restarted? Because I was not able to copy and paste the PowerShell command, so I just enabled the shared clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional in both the source and the target system virtual machines, and then I restarted. So now I'm going to click deploy the agent. So the agent is going to be for the Windows operating system. Windows, I selected the Windows. Then here you have to enter the IP address of the WASU 192.168.1.21 in my case. Then agent name, okay, Windows 2022 server. Okay, then you can find the shell command or shell command, just copy it, and then go to the server and open the PowerShell, okay, as administrator, and then now I am able to paste it. So I'm going to press the enter button. It would take some time for the agent to be installed on the Windows 2022 server. Ensure that the agent system, that is either the Windows 2022 server or Windows 10 or 11 or any Linux operating system, okay, you configure the adapter both in NAT as well as in host only, because while the agent is getting installed, it would connect with the remote WASU server. Okay, so now the installation is over. The agent is already installed in the Windows server. Now let's go to the dashboard. So endpoints. We are now looking for there was some issue. I think I okay, let me go to it again. 192.168.1.21. Agent name Windows 2022. Let's then copy this. Uh, Let me paste it here. Enter. So now once the agent installation is completed, I made a mistake in the previous step actually. I did not actually start the agent, okay? So that's a mistake I did. So what you do is just copy this command and again you go to the PowerShell, right click, paste, net start WAZU service. Okay, the WAZU service is starting now. So you should get this message. The WAZU service was started successfully. This I forgot to do in the previous step. So here you can find in the dashboard. Okay, here down. This is the last step. Just copy and paste it on the PowerShell, and the PowerShell would execute the WAZU service. Okay. Then once you have completed, then you can go for endpoint, and now you can see the Windows server is available here. And okay, now you can click and find the information about the Windows server. So it's collecting the information. The agent is collecting the information and sending to the WASU server, and it would take some time, okay, for the complete information to reach uh, the WASU server manager. So you can like click thread printing, then okay, then okay, then malware, MITRE attack, so vulnerability detection. Okay, so we have to give some time for the scanning to take place. Eventually, the WASU would collect the information about the target system and it would be displayed here. So in the future classes, we would look into the dashboard in detail. We shall explore the each and every component of the uh, WAZU in detail, okay, in the future classes. Thank you.